Hello, tutor and group mates. This is me, Edwin Nunez, speaking for the subject English 4. We are going to talk about a little bit about Elon Musk life. Okay, the first question is, what do you know about this millionaire? Okay, I know that he's an executive entrepreneur of Tesla Motors company. I think he is now 52 years old and he has double nationality, American-Canadian, but he was really born in South Africa. He is a millionaire and he likes to invest on creating cars and spaceships for the future. And he also owns his own companies like Twitter, PayPal, SpaceX, and CEO. The next question is, what do you think of his business and companies? Well, I think that he is an original businessman because he has original ideas, since he invests on technology to create new ways of sustainable technology and communication networks. And number 3, what is the influence of this character has on the world and society? Well, I think he influences in 2 important aspects. The first one is about people's lives transportation, and the second one is the web communication. So he is very clever to do it. And number 4, what do you think of the use of he makes of his money? Okay, I think that he makes with his money very nice and good business, because people need how to transport and to communicate each other with additional resources. For example, people like to watch on different websites images, sound, and even video, because people is very curious to know about other cultures or the people. And number 5, what would you do if you were a millionaire? If I were a millionaire, I would become a philanthropist. I would give money and would give my time to social charity activities for love of others. I would also cover, first of all, my basic necessities and share with others, for example, my family, and then to other people in need. In need of what? In need of education, in need of shelter, work, health, and food. You know, food is very special activity that he does, because he gives a lot of food in South Africa, the place he was born. And it's a very good activity that he does for others, giving food to hungry people that live there. Okay, thank you very much for your time, and I'll see you then.